Ivy Ski, welcome, and Monique, thank you so much for joining. If you guys can, if you can share out this live stream, because I'm so excited. Girl, I'm getting goosebumps. I want to see your brand new potato chips. It's a new flavor, right? It's a new flavor. What is it? It's called Dora the Explorer potato chips. Oh no, it's Janice the Explorer potato chips.
I said Ohana to Monique. Mama Ivski, Mommy Ivski, hello from Monique. Oh, I think everyone is sleeping and they're taking a nap, I think.
It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah, because it's Sunday here.
Oh.
Hi, Burnok. Uy, Burnok. Thank you, Burnok, for coming. Mag-unbox ako, Burnok. Thank you. Manood ka, Burnok, ha? Hi, Sion TV.
Yes. So, Tommy, Sion TV, she's part of Team Ohana as well as Janice Cortez, okay? So they're part of a team that I established many years. Actually, Janice Cortez is one of the original Team Ohana members. So she's been part of Team Ohana for years. And Sion TV just wrote a message to me, Tommy, and she's saying Tommy is a young boy, so he doesn't know how to connect with each other. So what you need to do is go to these people's channel, okay, Tommy? Be on their channel for at least 2 to 3 minutes watching one of their videos, make a nice comment, and just say, type in Ohana, and say like new friend here from Michigan, type of a thing, be nice, and they will return the visit, okay? That's how everyone grows a channel at the very beginning. It's always okay to ask, but you're going to get better return. You're going to get your numbers up there more quickly while you take the initiative and going to visiting their channel. People are going to be here for a little while because everyone wants to see Janice the Explorer's new potato chips, okay? Everyone wants to see your potato chips.
I'm so tired, guys, but I'm excited to open this one.
Potato chips.
So let's unbox it. So are you ready, Ohana?
Let's do it. I'm ready if you're ready.
Okay. I'm gonna open the box, guys. Can you big my screen?
How do I do that? Tell me. Walk me through that. How do I do that? Like this? Oh wait. Okay. Yeah. There's that. How do I get it to you though?
That's it.
Tap you.
So you drag me the.
Oh! Nice. There we go.
Oh guys, excited na ba kayo? Hindi, actually, hindi to para sa inyo. Dito lang to ha. Pero, kasi ano to eh. What's inside the box? Yes, para to dito sa mga kasama ko. Malay nyo sa sunod kayo naman ang mabigyan. So, inuna lang namin dito. Hopefully, guys, you will be the next. Okay. I'm gonna adjust my camera here. So, let's open the box.
Potato chips!
Oh my God, what's inside the box? Yo! Oh my God, look at this one!
What is that?
What is this? A shirt!
Shirts?
Yeah. This one is size large. Look at this! AIM Daily!
Oh, look at that! Oh.
Sorry.
Is there anything on the back?
Wow! You like that?
I love that.
This one. Woo.
Oh! EIM Daily, Team Ohana. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! Wow.
Yes, guys. So, abangan nyo kung saan pa namin. So, just wait and see, guys. So, who's gonna wear these shirts? AIM Daily. Oh my God. Purple.
I love that.
Ohana?
Encourage, inspire, motivate.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes.
Baka susunod kayo na mabigyan, guys. Marami ito. That's marami, oh, look. Super. Dami. And more and more and more. More and more. Yes, it's so beautiful, right? So,
You know,
here.
it'd be so cool. It would be really cool to see a whole bunch of people wearing those and do something together as like a group. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah. Baka naman. Sa susunod lang guys, sa mga Zumba mate, sa susunod po, mamimigay kami dito naman sa mga YouTube followers next time. So how, you know, maybe the second batch Ohana is in the YouTube followers, right?
Yep. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you find the one that fits you? Can you go find the one that fits you and then put it on? Not in front of us.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will talk to people, entertain them, and let them know what's going to happen. So, this is what's happening, my friends. Okay, let me swipe myself back over here real quick while she's changing. So, in 2025, which is February already, that is the first batch of 500. So the money I make on my channel, so I'm really going to ramp up my channel memberships. I'm going to be flexing, making videos. I've already made several videos already with channel members. I don't have any channel members at this point in time, but I'm showing you my first paycheck. I get a paycheck from YouTube probably every 2 months now. Oh, look, hold on. Let me swipe you over. Oh, look at that. That's the first person to wear that shirt. Oh, look at that.
Look at this one, guys. Do you like it? Oh, this one is a small size, but I'll put it up like this.
Show us the back. Can you
How about this?
Pull your hair up and show us the back. Look at that. EIM Daily Team Ohana. Woohoo! Yes!
Yeah.
Team Ohana is in the Philippines right now. Watch out.
Yeah, it's in the Philippines. But you know what, next time? I wanted this one is like more bigger.
You want it bigger next time?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Yeah, look at mine. Hold on. Let me show you mine. My sweater. I'm gonna switch you real quick. So
ang ganda, di ba? Malay niyo sa sunod kayo po ang mabigyan. So, we're planning, guys. Wow. Oh my God, that one is so big. Yeah. We are planning next time, guys, with Team Ohana that we are giving T-shirts to the viewers from the Philippines. But this time we're gonna do that in the Zumba Mates. But if we have budget, hopefully, so each one of you guys will receive a shirt someday. So you will wait for that.
Especially you.
What color is that? Is that black color?
This is black. Yes.
Yes, Ma'am Punig, sa sunod mamimigay po. Ito kasi may mga may-ari na po ito lahat. Para to sa mga Zumbolizers. Of course, they will follow Ohana as well. I like this one.
That looks good on you. I like that. I like that.
Good.
I like that a lot.
Guys, pa-screenshot naman dyan. Oh, black. I like color black. Yes. Guys, can you screenshot, please?
Yep, I'm gonna screenshot it right now on my phone.
No, just remove. Just put my name over there. Just remove the one that you pinned. So at least then I have the name there.
Okay. So how do I remove that?
A double click. No, double tap. Oh, then that one double tap. Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Perfect.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Let me screenshot. I'm gonna screenshot that right now. That looks awesome.
Okay, can you full screen? Can you do your full screen so we can do a screenshot together?
How do I do that? Like this?
Your full screen, just like the first one.
Is it not? For me, it's full screen.
Yeah, just like mine. So we have both same size.
Oh, how do I get both same size?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm slow at
And
this.
also
No, I don't want to see me. I just want to see you with the shirt on. You have the shirt on. Hold on. Let me put my sweater on.
I think just click the first one.
Okay. Let me get back out. How do I get? Let's see. I got to get back to
the first that I come up earlier. That's what do you call this one, guys?
this one. That one?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put my shirt on. So keep the cup.
Okay, go. Excited siya magsuot ng t-shirt.
All right, look at that. Bring this down a little ways
Yes,
here.
see you on. Okay, please do a screenshot. Wow, maybe I'm gonna closer. Like that. Yeah. So it will.
Perfect. Well, let me cutting off my head a little bit. Right there. Okay. Sweet.
Okay na?
Yes, we're good.
Oh, that's nice. So Quezon City kasi yon. Sige lang sa next batch, baka mabigyan ka namin, ha? So that's the plan. We're talking about it till Tabora Ohana, hopefully, guys. So just wait and see who's gonna wear the shirts. Hindi po makunik. Meron po siyang binibenta, pero ito po, ipapamigay po namin to. So sa sunod, baka mabigyan din kayo. And, ayan, thank you, guys. So, we're good. I think we're good. I'm gonna rest for now because I'm, from travel.
That's totally fine. Yep. All righty.
Thank you, Ohana.
Thank you all. Thank you, Janice.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you, guys, for supporting Ohana. Bye-bye.
I want Barbie stickers. I want a Barbie sticker.
Remember, there's some families coming in and out and stuff, so let's just be respectful, okay? I don't know what's going on.
EIM Daily.
Is it a video?
EIM Daily. Check it out.
Courage.
Inspire. Motivate.
Daily.
EIM Daily.
Totally not cringe.
You are awesome.
I know. Thank you. Thank you. Just so good. EIM Daily. I swear we are not cringe.